So under that is a language of fundamentals. Not only like if you're in future, if you type on the data import or export or mathematics or graphics or programming, if you want to build any in your own app building, if you define your own software deployment, other if you are calling like any external languages, that is maybe Python or Java, .NET. So this is a best practice to go to here. Always come to here and click on this particular area, and you come to here. What are the functions it is available in MATLAB? So you'll come to know maybe how to create the function and size of or maybe inverse. So here is see, like most of the things, my previous example that I'm going through this only. So I want to find out the zeros, ones, and random number, true number, or false number. So similarly, if you want to like maybe a line space or maybe long space or short space, like here you have to create your own grids also. So this is a generate your line linearly space of vector, or maybe generate your log logarithmical speed vector. If you want to like frequency and spacing of frequency response, maybe if you want in future, if you build in 2D and 3D grids, yeah, you can always like maybe if you want to like a limitation of ND space, yeah, that is again it will go through these functions only. So similarly, how's the like a shaping. So our say second one is like we have the create and combine of and reshape the arrays function also it is there. So here this is the functions is available. Same function I'm showing in our software, MATLAB software. This is a determine and size and shape and order function it is there. So same way, if you have the any kind of the arrays is there, if you want to define your length of largest array dimension, maybe if you want to mention the particular size array of the size, or maybe if you want to number of array dimensions, or maybe number of arrays elements is there. So number of array elements is num L is equal to. So similar function we can use in our next program. I'll show you. Again, if you want to reshape and maybe rearrange that your elements also, same syntax we can use here. So quickly I can go through this example. Click on this example here is there. So I am selecting that example. Reshaping and rearranging of that array. So here so first of all, I will explain you step by step. So here I'm taking that arrays function. So I'm going to take up that reshaping and rearranging of that array. So here is I'm taking that reshape and this command it is there. So if you are any difficult, again I'm saying to here, directly come to here in command window. Always you can command window here. Here itself you can get it from here. So here click on that. So reshape. If you like, if you want to like some type here, then similar values it will come. Reshape or maybe reshape of the symbolic or maybe reshape of the control. So similar syntax it will come. For example, if in some my aim is I want to reshape that array, maybe that's the MATLAB function. I want to reshape of the A using a size vector, maybe size of the, you want to depend the size. Maybe if you want to mention that size of number, so always you come to here. Otherwise, like here I'm same thing, same command I'm using here. So I want to function the changes is size of space and array. For example, I have the reshape. There's a 3x4 matrix is there, and to be maybe 3x4 matrix to 2x6 matrix I'm converting. So this is my matrix. A is equal to 1, 4, 7, 10, and comma 2, 5, 8, 11, and 3, 6. So this is a like a 3x4 matrix is there. Then I want to convert to 2x6. So my aim is like B is equal to reshape of that. There is a like A is there that I want to convert to 2x6. So here itself, this is a command I'm given here. I'm going to run this particular section. So my first like my element is a A. This is my matrix is there. So I'm going to converting of the 2x6. So same thing. I want to convert 1, 2, like 3, 4, like again 5, 6, and 7, 8, 9, 10, and 11, 12. So I'm converting to that reshape. That as you can see is equal to 1. There is a C it will come. So like same way, if you want to like then here I'm taking one more. There is a long number of the elements it is there. I want to shape the same. You can reshape this and array with this number of dimension using the elements of like again I'm using the from A and creating 2 by 2 and by 3 multi-dimensional of array. If you want to create as a multi-dimensional array, yes, you can do that from the C is equal to reshape of, I'm giving the matrix A, rest of the thing 2 by 2, again you convert to multi-dimensional 3 is there. So this is a like a syntax we can use